CIM 1321WT. Operating instructions. Press the power button once to start the machine. Press the power button again to stop operation. If you press the power button immediately after stopping, the compressor will automatically enter safety mode and restart after 30 seconds. The CIM 1321WT shaved ice machine does not support drum speed control. CIM 1321WT cleaning instructions. Press and hold the power button for more than 3 seconds. The LED will blink, indicating entry into cleaning mode. Remove the transparent container, bottle. Remove the support cap. Remove the drum cover. Remove the inlet tube and the water tray. Use the cleaning hose to spray water onto the front area of the drum while cleaning. After cleaning is complete, press the power button to exit and finish.